Hi, this is M. Prabhakaran. My VMC number is 621. My project title is Hybrid Intrusion Detection using Anomaly and Signature Based System. The main objective of this project is finding the intruders based on the network deviation, that is in the network traffic. Any packet data packets are lost, at the time we can find the intruder. Now I am going to run the project. This is the main file. Right click and click run. The project is going to run. This is the home page of my project. Click the username. This is the administration side login. Admin. Password is admin. Select the category as admin and click login. This is the user, creating the new user by the administrator. Ranjit is the username. User ID is Ranjit123 and the password is Ranjit. Retype the password. Select the gender. Click register. This is updated details. You can check with the database. This is the SQL Server 2005. Select asterisk from user detail. This is the table for maintaining the user detail. This is the Ranjit123 Ranjit and Ranjit is the username. This is the record that we have entered. And select your application. This is the setting the attribute value. Attribute is nothing but setting the limitation for the user for the operation of file transfer and online shopping. Select the file transfer. Click submit. Threshold level, we have to set the threshold level. This is the limitation to the file upload or download for the particular user. This is the upload size. This is the download size for the Ranjit 123. Click submit. Terminate session. This is the details for this is the operation by the administrator. Check with the database for the threshold value. The Ranjit123 the username and the attribute for a file upload attributes. The attribute 2 is file download. We can add additional attribute also for shopping. Now I am going to log in with the user ID. Click login. This is the test application. Click the file upload, whether the intruders occur or not. File upload and click the browse button. Select one file with the limited size. Click the upload button. The file successfully uploaded. We can check the uploaded file in the computer. 123 data. This folder contains the uploaded file sample. I am going to one more file uploaded with large size. Click upload. This will cross the limit. That's why the intrusions occur here. So the session will automatically logged out. Check the database in the weighted generation. This is the table for maintaining the intruder list. The Ranjit123 is the user ID and the operation for file upload. Here is the intrusions happening. And click the relogin. User ID. Click and click find download. Select the attribute list file. This is the listed file. We can download the minimum size. Save the file. So now the file is downloaded. Open the folder. This is the downloaded file. And I am going to one more file to download with the large size. Here you are an anomalous user for the unauthorized person. Now I can check with the database. So here is the only one operation, that is the Ranjit123 is the file that is not uploaded. It is the intruder. So the user can terminate, and can one more operation, online shopping. Buy the book, click the details and add to cart and check out. Anjit Chennai, credit card input, credit card number, expire date, check out. So this is purchased completely successfully. So check the database for the order details. The Ranjit in Chennai. So this is the record, that is the delivery address. We have to deliver. So terminate session. Thank you.